y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. This is Tammy. I have some Happy Mail from Ilene Mack I wanted to share from y'all, for y'all. And first of all, I want to let y'all know that I apologize for the terrible lighting I have right now. When I moved, my tripod got broken, both my tripods and everything. All I have is this, the handheld tripod, and I'm setting it up here kind of like between my legs on my bed, and the lighting is very poor. We don't have an overhead light, and I took the lampshade off my light, trying to make it brighter in here. So this took a while to get to me, and because our mail is so messed up. So Ilene, I apologize for just now getting this up, but I want to thank you for sending this. This is really cheering me up to be able to get some Happy Mail right now, because we're really going through some stuff. We just moved at the end of October, beginning of November, and we're going to have to move again. And we're praying, we're looking at a house to move to. We rent. We would like to own, but because of finances, we just haven't been able to find a way to get into a home to own. We've been renting. We rented an apartment, and if you have followed me any extent of time, you know that the apartment we rented for the last 8 years was in terrible condition. We had mold, black mold at that, in the home. With my health conditions, I have a lot of health issues. It was making me a lot sicker. We could not get the landlord to do anything about that, plus other issues that was going on for 8 years. We fought with him. My husband even contacted city officials. It just, nothing was getting done. We got into an argument with them, and between him and us, we decided to get out, and get out quickly. We found in this place it was a townhouse we were renting. We found another townhouse, and it was almost jumping out of the frying pan into the fire, so to speak. So we're looking for another place, and we're hoping to try and find a house to rent. And if we don't, we're going to end up into a motel until we do. So that's where we stand as of now. So we're really praying that the place that we would look at Saturday will work out. And you know, we have some stipulations. You know, we have a dog. A lot of places don't want pets. Our dog, you know, she's house trained. She's an older pet. You know, so, you know, she's no problem. She's doesn't have accidents in the house or anything like that. But anyway, let's get into this. And first off, these little things fell out. These are little acorn stickers. And look at this. Oh, look. Little mushroom. They're all glittered. And here's some little acorn. So are they stickers or are they chipboard pieces? I'm not sure. My eyes are not the best. They're very thick though. I don't think they're stickers. I think they're just little chipboard pieces, but they're very cute. Here's some more glitter pieces. And I'm not sure if they're stickers or chipboard pieces, but they're cute. Look at them. Oh, I love them. Very, very cute. Thank you so much. Oh, look, I love the pumpkins. This is nice. Look at these. How sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you, Eileen. This is sweet. Now let's see what this is. Let's see. Okay, let me read this. Okay, so she's thanking me. I participated in her challenge a while back. This is real pretty how she decorated this too. And so she's just sending me a little thank you. And that's real sweet of her. Look what she made. I like this. Thank you, Eileen. You know, these are very handy too. I love these. Whoops, I'll have to stick that back down on there. But I like how she finished the back on that. Yeah, that'll just stick right back on there. And then you can replace it. I like how she did that, so you can replace it. You did a very nice job on this. I love things like this. I'm always going through these. I'm always looking for sticky notes because I use them so much with my Stampin' Up! Business and just anything, you know, trying to remember things. So thank you so much for these. Especially now since I've moved, I can't seem to find anything. So you did a very nice job. Look how nice and finished this is. Really nice. And I believe she said she was a new crafter too, and she's done real good. See, handmade by Ilene Mack. She's got her own stamp and everything. She's a very, very nice crafter. I've been crafting since I was just a little child, and I'm close to, let's just say I'm close to going on 60 years old now. I've been crafting all my life, and for a new crafter, I tell you what, she looks like a professional, just like me. So Eileen, you're doing very well for yourself, I tell you. No wonder you've got more YouTubers than me, because you do nice work, I tell you. So keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. I like this very much. Thank you so much for sharing this with me and sending this. I appreciate this. This has just cheered me up that you've thought of me and sent this to me. And I'm hoping to get settled so that I can get some Christmas cards out to some people. I haven't been able to work on anything. Like I said, my things are packed up at the moment. I don't know if I can zoom in on this right now, but just kind of zoom in on everything. But just as soon as I can, I will share some more. All I've been able to do lately is the Fun Friday stamping videos, so if you haven't been watching those, please make sure you tune into those. As soon as I can, I'm going to try and get back into some more crafting videos, some stamping videos. And I thank y'all so much for you know, just being patient with me and supporting my channel and watching my videos and sharing them, leaving me comments, those that, you know, that do that and everything. And Eileen, thank you again so much for sending this to me. It really has brightened my day through all this that I'm going through. So thank you again to all of y'all, and remember to share, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, comment down below, like my video, and y'all have a blessed day. I'll see y'all soon. God bless. Thanks for watching.